Hey guys, just making this video today to walk you through how you can search for different industry verticals all within clay.com. So in this case, we've got three different angles going out, three different campaigns that are slightly different, and we want to target three different industries. Here we want to search for different types of manufacturers, and as you can see, clay has so many different options. In this case, we have picked electrical manufacturing, chemical manufacturing, and machinery manufacturing, because these are the three campaigns we've pre-built in SalesForge. In this case, we don't mind with the headcount of the company because this works for everyone, so we'll go anywhere from 50 up. We want to make sure they are in the United States. Bang, and here we go. So thankfully we've got a good amount of results here, 12,500 results. Don't need to import all of them in for this example, but we'll do 1,000. And then from there, we're going to use Clayagent, which is Clay's AI agent, to score these companies, read their website, do its own independent research to double check that it's actually in the industry that Clay says it is. Clay is normally pretty good, but we're going to do this just to be sure. I'll show you what that prompt looks like in a sec. And here we are. Here's the prompt. I made this in Claude, but pretty much it's just going to visit the company's website, and if it doesn't get anything from the website, it will then do some independent research using the company's name and their HQ location. And as you can see here from the 10 rows that I've run already, it is going to determine the type of engineering or manufacturing rather that these companies do. So if we run it for another 100 or another 90, round up to 100, we will be able to score all of these leads or all of these companies here and make sure they're actually doing what we need them to do. Once we've done that and we've confirmed this, we are going to be able to filter these companies into their own views. So we get a list that is only engineering, or pardon me, that's only electrical manufacturers. So we'll go electrical, bang. And then all we need to do there is go to filter, engineering type, equal to electrical, bang. And now all of these companies that Clayagent confirms is doing electrical will show up in this one. And then we can duplicate that view and we can go to chemical. Beautiful. We'll rename that chemical. And obviously we are going to do the same thing for the final one, which will be machinery. There we go. Beautiful. So we got a nice split there from our 100 leads. And then if from here we wanted to find people working at these companies, what I would do is I would come into actions. We're going to search for find people. And then from here, we are going to, you can see it's already linked to the company table. However, it's went to the default view. Whereas you can see here that it shows the other views that we just created. In this case, I'm going to start with electrical. And in terms of job titles, we are going to go purely for CEO, founder, MD, bang. And then we don't need to play with this because it's already pulling the companies that we filtered for from the original list. So that's good. I would, however, filter again for the United States in case some of these companies are hiring people abroad. For example, Mr. Oliveira in Sao Paulo. So we filter again for the United States. And then we are going to save this search because we're going to be able to repeat it for other types of manufacturing. So we'll go manufacturing example, bang, save that, and then we will push these into a new table. And when we get in here, we can title this electrical, nice spelling, and then beautiful. Now as you can see here, we have all of the American-based CEOs, MDs, founders of these electrical manufacturing companies. And the beauty of Clay here is when you pull these leads through, you're also going to get all their old company table data as well. So we've got their company description, we've got their company HQ, type of engineering that we enriched, also the company LinkedIn URL. As you can see here, we've got Flex International. And then here comes the fun part. Now we're going to use Clay to use the email waterfall to find for these leads. And then this will be able to fuel our outreach. So if you've got the API keys, I mention this every time, make sure you move those to the front so you're not spending expensive Clay credits when you've got cheap API key credits. And then Clay does a good job at mapping all of the relevant criteria. We can switch this to zero bounce as it's my preferred one. And then we are going to be able to run this for all 81 rows that have been put in here. This process would be the exact same for all the other types of manufacturing. So for example here, I'll come into here, search find people again just to show you. I won't do the whole process, but I'll show you how to link the view. So as you can see see here, it's automatically linking to a table. That was the wrong table in this case. So here we're going to go to the find companies table, select that, and then we will make sure that we go to chemical for this time. If we wanted to make the same search for the chemical CEOs, so we can again filter to the US, again filter to the relevant job titles. Beautiful. Just to finish off with the electrical one, as you can see here, the email waterfall was running, and now we've got our beautiful email addresses. So once again, I would create a new view. We can go emails, and we will go to work email is not empty, and now we can see this is where we would want to enrich. Say we want to normalize their company name or do an AI personalization, but in this case, I'll just show how you can hook it up to Salesforce. So we'll search up Salesforce there. We've already created a sequence in our Salesforce account. And we've already linked our Salesforce account to Clay via the API. We can click our workspace. We can find our sequence. In this case, we are going for electrical manufacturing. Again, Clay's maps the relevant criteria already, which is very generous of it. And then from there, we are just going to click save and run. And this is going to push into our sequences ready for outreach via LinkedIn or email. So yeah, hope this was helpful, guys. Just a little walkthrough of how you can filter to make sure you're attacking the right vertical and you're only going out to relevant people. Cheers, guys.